This screencast is to demonstrate the implementation of feature flags. So I'll quickly describe you the feature that we have here. So the feature is simple: email notification on successful registration. So once the user fills in all the relevant details and clicks on sign up, the user will be sent an email telling him that the registration has been successful. So I'll quickly demonstrate the email functionality. So it says success, thank you for signing up. So I'll just quickly go and see if there's the email. So like you can see at 10:15 as per our time, we have the email feature, and it says thank you for signing up and so on. So this is the email. So now we have this code which we are using SendGrid. So we're switching up the feature once there is an error in sending the SendGrid email. So what we're going to demonstrate is I'm just going to comment this normally well functioning code and then uncomment this incorrect code where the credentials are incorrect. So I'm just going to go ahead and push these changes. So before that, let me just show you the feature was so it's true, that's why the email went through. So once it builds, we'll see the feature should be false here. And so for this purpose, we just I'm just gonna pause, and once I push it, as the build takes time, so I'm just gonna pause here and come back once the build is done. So our build is successful, and now we're going to test if the feature flag is still running or not. I'll just show you what the feature flag looks like right now. It's true because we haven't run the app as of yet. So when I try to send again, yep. This is when I just asked. We saw here when you just asked for it. And we go on without so you got we signed up successfully, but let's see if you got an email or not. Alright, so we got an email, and that was because it got routed to the stable version where the password is correct. So all I should have done is test it onto the Canary version right away. So I'm just gonna go to the Canary build here and then check now if the feature flag is working here or not. So now there's the process on that, so you can just take out the sales file. Let's see if we get an email now. And so far, no, we don't have an email. I'm just gonna refresh it. So I'm going to try and see if the email is. So as you can see, the feature flag is set to false, hence we did not get an email. Earlier what was happening is I was connected to the proxy, and the proxy would 3 out of 4 times would route it towards the stable version, and that's why, and over there we had proper running code with proper credentials. But when I tried to run it on the Canary version, the credentials were incorrect, and hence the feature flag got set off, and that's why the email didn't go through. And this is how we implemented feature flags.